Hey guys, welcome to this new section here in the ChatGPT course. I'm excited because here we will learn how you can use ChatGPT to create blog posts for your blog or articles for your blog, for your website. Let's say you create content constantly for your followers, and sometimes that can take you hours of work because you need to think about the keywords, you need to think about the ideas, the subject, the topics that you will take care of your article, and also you need to spend the time to write down the whole article. And right now in this section, I'll show you how you can do this really quick in a few minutes with ChatGPT. Of course, we will generate a sample article first, and later we will edit this article to make sure it's optimized for SEO. So people that goes to Google and they search for your keyword, they are searching for the information you have in your article have more chances now to appear higher in the search results because it's optimized. That's what we are doing here in this section, okay? So to start, guys, let's go now to ChatGPT, and we will start with, we have 3 steps here on this section, okay? 3 steps. Number 1, before we start and going to ChatGPT and say, hey, just write an article, we want to know what are the keywords that these people that are looking for your article, that are looking for the information that you are sharing there, what are the keywords that they are typing on the Google search to get to your article? That's the key point, guys. So think about that. You need to write down 5 keywords or even more if you want, at least 3. Optimal will be 5 or more. Once you have the keywords, you know exactly what are the phrases or the keywords that they are typing there on Google to get to your article or to get to articles that are similar to you. So for example, if I have an article about email marketing, I teach people on my article what are the 5 steps to create a super optimized email marketing campaign, for example. What are the things that they are typing there? How to optimize email marketing campaigns, or how to have a higher open rate on my emails, or things related to that. So you need to think about that. The best way to do that is to use a tool. Let me show you here on the computer. It's called the Google Keyword Planner. It's a little bit complicated to access this because you need to have a Google Ad account. You don't need to create an ad, but you need to have an account. If you don't know how to do that, I recommend you to check that on Google, and you will see the steps. It's just a straightforward process. We teach that in other courses, but it will take around 10 minutes to create your account. So I recommend you to go to Google, search how to create my Google Ads account or how to use the Google Keyword Planner, and here is the tool. Okay, so here basically you can just type the subject line, for example, email marketing. And you can say get results, and you will see that we have a list of keywords that Google is showing now. We have over 1,000 pages here, actually 1,000 results. Keywords that are the keywords that people are searching on Google that are related with my topic, which is email marketing on this example. So this is one way. There are several tools. You can also search on Google how to do keyword research, and you will see all free tools there for you, easy to use, step by step. Once you have the keywords, you can go to step number 2. If you said, Diego, this is too much, man, I don't want to go and create my Google Ads account, it will take time, I just want to start writing this article right now. Wonderful. Another way to do it is just to come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT for this information. ChatGPT knows what are the keywords. So we can come here and we can say, make a list of the top 5 keywords people are using to find information about email marketing, for example, about email marketing. And you see here that it has a list of keywords. It's not optimized, so I can edit this and say, make the list of the top 5 keywords people are using to find information about email marketing on Google, for example. And I can also add separated by comma. So I have a list of keywords that I can just copy and use on my prompt that I will show you here in a minute, okay? So you see here, it's not separated by comma, but it's at least giving me the list. I can just copy this and use, and also you can use other tools to figure out what are the right keywords for your article, for your blog post. That's number one. Number two, why do we want the keywords? You may be asking. Because we need the keywords to make sure we are ranking higher on Google. It's not enough just to create your article, your blog post. We want that this article, this blog post is discovered organically without paying for ads on Google, so you are attracting millions of people of all over the world to your content. That's what we want. So keywords are important, guys. Number one. Number two, I told you that there are 3 steps. Number 2 is to come with ideas for the title, for the subject of this article. So I can come here and say this, for example, write 10 blog posts, ideas about email marketing for small businesses that the buyer persona we created early is searching for. So we are asking ChatGPT not only for 10 ideas, we are asking for 10 ideas about this subject. So here you enter your subject. In my case, it's email marketing for small business. And we also ask the chat to make sure that these ideas, this title that is generating, are optimized for the buyer persona we created earlier. And why I can ask that? Because we are using the same chat box. If you look here on the top right-hand side, let me show you here. We are using the same chat box that we use since the beginning of this course. So within this context, ChatGPT knows the buyer persona. So let's see if we have results with this. Let's hit enter and see what we have. The chat is saying, sure, here are 10 blog post ideas about email marketing for small businesses. That your target audience, Zara, which is the name of my specific buyer persona on this example, may be searching for. This is perfect, guys. This is exactly what we want, okay? So you see here, number 1, 5 reasons why email marketing is essential for a small business, and is explaining why this post is interesting. Also, number 2, how to build an effective email marketing list for your small business, and all these specific things that my buyer persona is searching for. This is super optimized, and you can easily come here and create 10 articles right there and have 10 articles ready. You can publish that on your website, or just save on your website and schedule the publication. So you can easily create 1 article per week. You can create the content for 2 or 3 months right there in a few minutes with ChatGPT and publish that to your audience, okay? So in the next video, now that we have the keywords, fantastic, we also have the titles. Let's say we like these titles. In the next video, I'll show you how easy, I'll show you a prompt I'm using to write this article, okay? See you there.